monkey bread. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna make a little different version of monkey bread. And you're starting off by making a basic sweet bun recipe, and I will link my sweet bun recipe down in the description. And now let's start with the cookie dough. Add butter, brown sugar and white sugar into a bowl, whisk them all together. Then add in your vanilla sugar, baking powder, salt, eggs and flour. Whisk them all to combine, then use your hands to gather the dough. Take a little piece of the dough and roll it into a ball. That's the size we're gonna use later. Place baking paper into your bread form and we're ready for the real fun. Bring your sweet bun dough out on the working area and cut a piece of the dough. Roll them into balls. It should be double the size of the cookie dough ball. And start placing them however you want into your bread form. Here you see how I placed mine. So cover it up and let it raise for 1 hour. Preheat your oven up to 200 degrees Celsius. Whisk up 1 egg and brush it over the finished raised dough. Bake it inside the oven for 15 minutes, then turn on the heat to 180 degrees Celsius and bake it for another 10 to 15 minutes. Then it should be ready to be pulled apart or cut up into pieces and served while still hot. And we served it with caramel. If you like monkey bread or pull apart bread, give this recipe a try. Give us some feedback. Thanks so much for watching this video and we'll see you in another video tomorrow. Bye!